Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial from the Grab Trust. It's on how to make your own Christmas cracker using recycled paper. I've got everything laid out here that I need. We've got 3 toilet rolls. We've got everything we need to fill our cracker. So we've got a hat, one size fits all reusable hat. I love these. We've got some chocolate coins. I've got a joke written out on an old piece of recycled card. We've got a cracker snapper and some raffia, some string, whatever you've got you can use for this. I had some raffia, so that's what I'm using today. The paper I'm using, I had an old atlas that was very out of date in the back of my car and not used anymore. And I've already used most of the islands in the west coast, so I thought I might do a city centre one. I thought I might choose Glasgow to do our cracker today. That's going to look quite nice, quite festive with the green and the red on it. Okay, so we're going to flip that over so the image we want is on the outside. And we're going to line up our 3 tubes. So your piece of paper needs to be long, at least the length of 3 toilet roll tubes, so about 30 centimetres. It can be bigger, it doesn't really matter. And we're going to, for placement, place them on and then remove the outer 2. I'm going to place our cracker snapper through the centre and tack it on. I'm just going to do that into the inside of our tube. And that's going to hold it in place. And we can put our other 2 tubes back on. They're actually different sizes, but it doesn't matter, you'll see why. And then we're going to roll the whole piece of paper this way towards us. And we're going to tape it on the end. I'm just using paper tape, which is brown, but it doesn't matter. You won't see it once the crackers are placed on the table. That's going to be this way up, so you're not going to see it. So I'm not too bothered about that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to gradually tease out the tubes from each end and twist and push at the same time. Twist and push our paper slightly while we're pulling this out. And we're not going to go too far with it, and then we're going to cinch it in properly with the raffia because that's what holds it in place. And also if you cinch it in with the raffia and don't do too much of the twisting and pulling, the paper is less likely to tear. So that's, let me do it this way. I'll do the first knot like this, but that's ended up on the side of the tape, you can see there. So I'm going to turn it over then for my bow, so that my bow is on the top. And then we can just trim the ends of that with our scissors. And that's one end tied, and it's ready to fill. So we're going to pop our bits and pieces inside. And the beauty of doing these Christmas crackers is not only using the paper and recycling it, but you can personalise these crackers in any way you want. So it could be a joke that you think someone's going to be finding particularly funny, or you could say, if you want to say thank you to somebody for something they've done for you throughout the year, you could do that instead of a joke. You could put whatever you like. You can personalise them in any way. That's why I love making these. And then once you finish personalising them, don't forget to put the name of the person you've personalised it for on your cracker, so that everybody gets the right one. And then we're going to do the same with the other end to tie it up. Need to twist and pull first. So we're pulling out our tube whilst twisting and pushing the paper. Oh, that's not, our hat's not gone in. I'm just going to pop that in with the ruler. That's better. There we go. That works. Okay, so now we can do the same with this end. Pull the roll out, twist and pull, and then cinch it in with our piece of raffia or string, or whatever we're using. Nice and tight, so nothing falls out. That can come out now. So got our nice shape, and then figure out where to put the bow, which is this side on top. And there you have it. You can tidy up the ends. Do a double bow on this one. It's kind of thinner string. There we go. And then tidy up the ends. And there we have it. Christmas cracker ready to go for Christmas Day.